Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wesleyan Bank Review My Usage Experience. Wesleyan Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing different banking products and services offered by Wesleyan Bank. Its main purpose is to help potential and existing customers understand the bank's offerings and make informed decisions. Key features likely include product comparisons, customer reviews, and potentially fee schedules. Their website provides details on various accounts, loans, and other financial products. The website emphasizes ease of use and clearly displays pricing information. While I couldn't directly compare it to other bank review sites, the ease of navigation on their website is a definite plus. Availability is limited to Wesleyan Bank's service area, which you can check on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wesleyan Bank Review My Usage Experience. I wanted to compare their savings accounts to those of a competitor, and the site made that incredibly easy. Getting started was a breeze, simply navigating to their website and using the intuitive search function was all it took. The interface was clean and straightforward. I quickly found the savings account comparison tool. I could easily filter by interest rate, minimum balance, and other key features. The site displayed the information clearly, and I found no discrepancies in the advertised rates versus the information provided in the comparison tool. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to filter results so precisely. One minor drawback was the lack of a detailed FAQ section. I had a quick question about eligibility for a specific account, and finding the answer required a bit of searching. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wesleyan Bank's review platform. It's a user-friendly and efficient way to compare their financial offerings. That's my overview of Wesleyan Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.